Yo, what's going on, guys? You already see the key. You probably haven't seen this key in probably like 2 months, low-key, because it's been like 3 months since this car's been sitting. The Integra has been taken apart, hasn't been put back together, but we're finally towing it off to the junkyard. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to Jesus' house. We're going to Jesus' house. We're gonna drop it off, and he's gonna reassemble it, just because, when I put things together, sometimes things don't work out, and sometimes, well, I may have blown up 4 motors this year. So we're gonna have Jesus put it together, because he's put together a lot of these K20 swaps and he knows what he's doing. So let's load it up on the trailer.
Oh, wait.
It looks like it's been through like nuclear warfare, bro. Look. All right, guys, we're getting the most important part. This is the head. This is actually what I blew. So.
Oh, you're pretty good at that. I think that's a one-way ticket to killing somebody.
Oh my God, we got everything in the Integra. Literally, it's packed to the brim. Oh my God. It's literally packed to the brim. Head's right here, cams are right here. The Integra has all Integra parts, just not in the correct place. Yeah. What? Over my foot, yeah, it's all good. Okay, yeah, I'm good.
For the 1% female audience.
Let's go. Oh my God. Finally back at Jesus's, man. And he's got the anti-theft protection. This is great. This is great. Oh my God. It is in good hands now. All right, this is what we're leaving Jesus with. I feel really bad. I'm really sorry. This is not good. I think there's only one man for the job, and it's Jesus. So if you guys want any K20 stuff, hit him up. Not now though, because we gotta do this first. But after, you need any parts or anything like that, or K20 work, there's a guy if you're in the South Bay area. So yeah. What's going on, guys? We're back in the FC getting some new tires from Valentine. They're not new, but they're new to me. They're used, and he's hooking me up. So, let's start the FC up. Let's see. I haven't started in like 2 weeks, so hopefully it. Okay, it's a little. You gotta hold it a little bit, but. Hey, and it holds, man. It's just got some carbon. Okay, yeah, I got a little bit more. It's struggling a little bit, but like I said, I haven't started in you're supposed to actually run rotors really hot I should have ran it like once a week, but I haven't ran it in like 2 weeks, so that's my bad. Guys, I hella forgot I have no gas in this car, and I have no radio. So, yeah, let's hope we get there. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, I kinda need to redline it, because that's how you clear out all the carbon deposits and make it not yucky in the motor. So I'm not doing this, and I'm just doing this for the motor's sake, okay? Oh, it sounds so good though. Just pulled up to Love Shop Auto. Gang. Damn, alright, we gotta go climbing right now. We got the ladder right here. We're about to play some Donkey Kong, bro. About to climb some ladders. What? You're saving?
I was saving it for me, but
the
I
tires?
feel like I have too many.
Yeah, I think you got a lot of tires here, bro. I think I could take them off your hands, man. Yeah, I got you on a good price too, man. I always got my boys, man. Is this thing stable? Oh shit. Damn, look at that tread, bro. There's no wires hanging out. That's pretty good. Damn, and we racked up. I may have stalled like 5 times, but we don't have. We don't have to touch, bro. It was because the ramp was hella steep, and it was hard for me to get up and stuff like that.
Slide, dog.
Oh, really? Okay. Also, I forgot my wheel lock. You know, that's actually important when you're changing the wheels and tires. Because, yeah, he also has a wheel lock for me, so. Okay, in all honesty, to me, these were still good, all right? Like, these still look good to me, the tires. But people say that apparently it's at the wear bar or something like that. I don't know. Apparently they're not good anymore. But to me, as long as it has divots right here, the tires are good. R.I.P. man, the OG machine's down. Wait, he's got the mobile tire machine.
Yeah. I'll put you at 35.
35?
So daily until you do track shit.
Wait, what? This came out?
Yeah.
How important is that?
Nah, it's not that very important. I'm gonna tighten it though.
It's not actually.
Yeah. It's actually not that. It's not that important because the
wheel
wheel holds it on. Yeah. And you don't. Even if the rotor fell off, it's like.
Yeah,
I still have 2 more in my engine.
No, you have 3 more.
I have 3. No, I have 5 more, bro. Because there's 2 in my engine. Ooh, about to go balance them right now. But look at the meat on this, man. It is crazy. It's not stretched at all. The tread's good. It's like a good 50%. Dude, these look so good. How fast is it going? Is it going the speed limit?
I'll do it live on Monday.
Yeah, you're good. Damn, this shit's probably not gonna fit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to pull way more camber in front. Actually, what if I just pull defenders more? Damn, bro, you got me on air?
Finally, bro.
Oh, you aired me out? Shit. I know this comes with the Love Shop Auto experience.
Nah, we just get you a better fit, man.
Oh, okay.
Bro, that looks cool.
No, it looks good, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna rub.
At this height, it probably won't.
If you don't drive like a sick ass fool right now, I think if you wait.
I'm responsible driver, yeah.
Okay, then
I'm good. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
good.
Okay.
You know I never speed, gang.
I know. Hey,
Yeah.
thanks for the payment though.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Oh, hold on.
Tip?
Tip, bro.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, you know I got you, man. It's real. It's real. Okay. Hey, pop the hood. Oh.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, big ass turbo in there. S5. Yep, 3 rotor, 4 rotor. Rob Dom in there.
Oh, yeah,
Dude, just moving the car.
That's what happens,
So much torque.
when you torque the wheels.
Dude, you honestly might be making more torque than my engine right now. I'm not gonna lie. Huh?
You got no bars.
Wait, hold on. Let me.
Yeah.
I didn't stall, bro. Let me not stall. Hold on. I got distracted.
Oh, it's a kill switch. Yeah, it's a kill switch.
It was I hit the kill switch, bro. That was my bad. All right, guys. Perfect place to test it. On an on ramp where if I overstall, I'm gonna die. Okay. I'm steering with one hand. Okay. Yeah, they're pretty good. They're really cold right now, so slipping a little, but I think once they're warmed up, they're obviously like way better. But dude, they feel really good, and they're like way less loud. My old Federal RSRRs were so freaking loud, man. Oh my god. Wow. There's a zero vibration at this speed. Dude, Valentine dialed the balancing for the wheels. I mean, the car's not, it just feels like dead smooth. It feels like my Prius, except I'm in a gutted FC, but yeah, you guys get the point. Somehow I ran out of gas. Actually, I know how I ran out of gas. I was going like 120 low-key kilometers an hour, so yeah, that'll happen. All right, well, these tires have been tested on the upper limits of the speed rating, so I think that they're mounted and balanced properly. I think after that test we can come to a conclusion that Valentine did a great job. Shout out Valentine, man. Thank you so much for mounting these. These are awesome. All right, guys, let's see if it rubbed. It actually didn't. So I was expecting it, honestly. Wow, Valentine said don't drive it like an idiot, and I didn't, but I was expecting it, honestly, like the fender to cut into the outer sidewall on some of those turns, or maybe those bumps going 130 kilometers an hour. But yeah, no, I think it does rub, but I've seen a little bit more camber. I think I should be good for like, unless it's like under like super hard compression, but that's like not too often, so. Yo, what is going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. As you guys saw, I got some new RS4s. At least they're new to me. They're my first set of tires like that are all even wear and all the same brand and over 50% tread. So really, really cool to me. Big shout out to Valentine for hooking me up with those tires. We will be going back into the shop for an alignment next Monday, the day before the track day on Tuesday next week. So pretty excited for that. And yes, I do hit the track like 4 to 5 times a year. to all the the older people commenting on my videos, quit going in the public roads, you're an idiot, go hit the track. I do hit the track, occasionally out throughout the year, and no, I can't afford to do it like 4 to 5 times a month because I have to take PTO, because most of the track days are on the weekdays, and the weekend days are pretty darn expensive, not gonna lie. They're like, sometimes they're like north of $400, so $400 to $500 for the weekend days, so they're not cheap. I'm not gonna lie, they're not cheap. So I got to hit the weekday ones and take PTO, and I can't hit it all the time because your boy's got a couple cars that need fixing, and I just graduated college last year, and I'm just trying to make it out here in California, man. Bay Area rent's not cheap, all right? So I'm doing what I can. I'm trying to save some money too to eventually move down to SoCal. Obviously in the future, 5, maybe 6, 7 years from now, I want to start a family and stuff like that. So I'm trying to sort my life out, man. I can't just drop a ton of money all the time like that. I try to save money sometimes where I can, so while still living a fun life, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and to all the younger people, which are the majority of my audience, I really appreciate you guys always dropping all the positive comments, and I do want to put out a disclaimer that everything I do is for entertainment, and I really don't want you guys to go out there and full send it. I know you guys drive on the public roads too. I really don't want you guys to go out there and full send it. Everything I do is for entertainment, and I would never ever want to see you guys like get hurt or like flip your shit or something like that. Please always drive within your limits. Dial it back on the public roads, and inevitably try to drive at times where there's not a ton of other people on the road. Preferably, when the permits are active at like 1 a.m. if you are gonna do something like that. I'm just trying to be real with you guys. I'm not gonna sit out here, be fake, and be like, don't drive out there on the road when I'm doing it. What I am gonna tell you is just be safe. Because I don't want to see you guys get hurt. But yeah, once again, I appreciate all you guys dropping the positive comments. It really does uplift me and kind of push me to make more content. It really does hit here in the heart, because I started this thing only like 2.5 years ago during COVID, not really expecting much of it. I had like 100 subs, and I was getting like 50 views a video, and like I was so happy. And now like I'm at 135,000 subs or something like that, at 136 subs, 1,000 subs, and it like it's crazy, all the support and how much it's grown. And I have the business now and merch. I mean, it's crazy. It's just like crazy how much like my life has changed. So yeah, appreciate everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.